We made a cake for you. Hi, Grandma and Grampy. We're making this for you. This is Missy Six Mug Cake.
G'day everybody, it's Rebecca Devitt from How Do I Homeschool. Today we're going to be baking a cake with Luke. So Luke, first of all, we're going to have to choose a recipe. What do you think?
Yeah!
It's exciting! Cakes.
Yeah!
So we're looking for a 5, a 2 and an 8. Oh, actually it doesn't have the page numbers. 4 eggs. I think we only have 3, Luke.
What?
Well, that's just what we have. Although we could use an egg substitute, couldn't we?
Yeah. 1, 2.
We only have 2. That means we need to find a recipe with 2 eggs only in it, okay?
Yep, I'll take them out.
Oh, this could be interesting. Do you know what that one says?
2 eggs.
It does! Very good. Look at that. I think we have all the ingredients for this cake, Luke.
Yeah! Yeah?
And what sort of flour does it say? Plain flour. Got plain flour and soft raisin flour. Show everyone the cocoa. Okay, good. And then we've got dark eating chocolate. There's the dark eating chocolate. Beautiful. And then we need caster sugar. You know, Luke, we're not going to use caster sugar. We're going to use a substitute of caster sugar, especially because it says 2 cups of caster sugar. We're going to use stevia.
Yeah! Yummier! The chocolate is even yummier.
All right, this is the stevia powder. Using for our cocoa powder. Good, this is our cocoa powder. Do you know what, Luke?
Yeah.
I think we're ready to start. Do you think we're ready to start?
Making the cake!
Yeah! Okay, so here we have our bowl and we're going to start putting everything in, but we have to do it in order of the recipe, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
We need to put the eggs in first.
Grease a deep 20 centimeter round cake pan. This is it. Can you show everyone? You tell them what it is.
It's a baking cake paper.
No, it's a baking pan. You say, everyone, this is a baking pan.
Everyone, this is a baking pan.
This is baking paper, and see what we do is we basically put baking paper, this looks like paper, baking paper all around there so the cake won't stick to it, yeah?
Yeah. That baking paper is too big.
Alright, now can you gently put this in the middle? Put it down at the bottom. Very good. That's it, and you want to press it. Perfect. High five.
This big thing looks like a monster truck tire.
Yeah. Luke, did you want to do some cutting? Yeah. That's perfect. Very good job. Alright, you ready to cut? Here's one I prepared earlier. Wow, look at that. Very good. Perfect. We're ready to go. We need a saucepan. Do you know what letter that is? What number that is?
2.
Well, looks like a 2. It's actually a 500. 500. Can you get the rest of it? It's a bit hard, isn't it? Okay, so the butter is in. Do you know what we have to do now, Luke?
You have to put the chocolate in.
I'm going to break it up. We've got to put the sugar in next.
I can put it in.
We don't spill anything. Gently pour it all into there. Good job. Keep pouring. Very good. So, I better boil the kettle. Yeah! We need to put in 1 whole cup of water, Luke. When the jug is done boiling, Luke, we're going to fill this up with hot water and Mummy will pop it in there, okay?
I'll pop it in there.
Well, maybe you can help, but it's very hot, so you can help me.
It's hot. I can't hold it.
That's exactly right. All right, ready?
And we have to put eggs in. I need a little bit of messy.
Just a little bit. That's that's okay. We can clean that up, can't we?
It looks like Monster Truck and Penny's curd.
Ooh!
Why is it a bit hot?
Well, it's just come off the stove. So we'll let that cool for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Can you put all those chocolate wrappers in here? Oh, good boy. I'm putting that one in too. It's empty, isn't it? Good boy.
Yay!
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 Thank you.
Thank you. We're good cookers.
We are good cookers. My husband buys 85% dark chocolate and it is intense.
Yeah.
Now Luke, it's time for the eggs. So we need to beat 2 eggs lightly, okay? Can you help me with that?
Yeah!
Okay.
How do I do it?
Break it really hard like this. Oh, hang on. We have a break. Stop, Luke. Stop. It's a free-for-all. I'll just try and get that little bit of eggshell out. There's our offending bit. Now you've got to very lightly stir that one. That's it. Good work.
How long does it take?
Or can take a little while. Mummy usually does in about 20 minutes, but this will probably take 40 minutes to an hour with you.
Yeah.
Okay, now what we do is yep, very good. Probably don't blow on it too much because sometimes your spit can go into the bowl. And then Grandma and Grampy will be eating your spit.
We're gonna put flour, cocoa in it now. And then the eggs. We're gonna put 1/4 of a cup in self-rising flour.
We get to put the egg in now. You want to tip the egg in very carefully, very carefully, very carefully. Let it sit there. Yep. Very good. All right, now very gently turn it upside down. That's it. And put it on the bench again. Beautiful, Luke. Very good. So whisk is a round movement, Luke. See? Round and round and round. It's looking so rich and chocolatey. Yummy. Doesn't that look good, Luke?
Yeah. We need to pour the mixture into a pan. Hooray for the cake! We're gonna bake this cake for 1.5 hours.
And you know, you can lick this spoon if you want. Okay, so we have been shopping and we got our cream and we didn't buy any chocolate because I've been very blessed and I've gotten so many chocolates this Christmas. And I don't actually eat that many chocolates. So we're gonna put this in and this is gonna be part of the ganache. Just to be a bit useful with the excess chocolate we have from Christmas, basically. Okay, we'll heat this one up.
What to do with this chocolate here? I want to have some of them.
You want to have some chocolates?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure?
So just take.
And then we'll let Luke choose one. Good one. Good choice.
We're going to stir the cream and the chocolate.
Okay, so we've just put our cake in this dish. And what I'm going to get Luke to do is slowly pour the ganache dressing over the chocolate cake. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll put that one there. Or do you want me to help?
Is it? No. I want you to help.
You want me to help? Okay. Alright, so here we go. There's the chocolate dressing. Look at that, Luke. Doesn't that look superb?
Yeah. It looks like a face.
It looks like a face without any eyes.
Yeah.
I think so too.
Sweet and a mouth.
It does need a mouth as well, doesn't it? Luke, what do you think of our cake?
It's good. We made